Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Henry and I am a Kiwi Can leader from the Bay of Plenty. And today I thought I would teach you guys a little bit of an arts and crafts lesson, and we're going to be learning how to make a paper aeroplane. Now all you need is a piece of paper. That's the beauty of this arts and craft lesson, because that's the only thing that you need, and then once you're done we'll move on to the next thing. Alright, so let's get started then, shall we? So first what we're going to do is we're going to get your piece of paper and I want you to fold it in half. Like so. So let me show you what we mean. So we're going to fold it in half. Doesn't really matter if the corners and if everything's not too on point. That's okay. It doesn't matter because you're still actually learning as well. So as we fold it in half, now what we're going to do is we're going to get the top of our piece of paper and we're going to fold them in so they're touching the middle part here. I'll show you once I've done it. So you're going to grab your piece of paper and you're going to fold. And then you're going to fold it just like that. And then you're going to do the other side as well. So you're kind of making a little nose for your paper aeroplane. Wow, just like that. See that? Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to do another fold. And this time we're going to grab these edges here. And you're going to fold them into the middle. Just like again, we're going to be folding and folding and folding. So here's my example. What we've done is you've grabbed the edge of this and you're going to fold it in so it makes this kind of shape, and it's going to be touching the middle. And you're going to do that for both sides as well. So let me do the other side really quickly. Like so. Boom, bam, just like that. And you folded it just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the top of our piece of paper and we're going to fold it in. So you have to, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in, and I want this point to touch this end here. Really easy, really simple stuff. So all we're going to do is fold it in like so. Make sure it's all nice and straight and even. Give it a good press, and you're going to fold it in just like that. So your plane, your piece of paper, for example, should look like this right now. And now we're going to move on to the next part. What we're going to do now is we're going to grab it, and we're actually going to fold it backwards into itself. So if you have a look, we're going to fold it back, and it's really easy because you can just follow the line that you've already created, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back. So then I'll show you. If you fold it back like so, give it a push down, make sure everything is nice and tidy, and then it should look something like this. Remember, all you're doing is grabbing your piece of paper and you're folding it back, so it should look like this. Now, this is the fun part. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to make the wings of our paper airplane like so. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab one corner, one side, and all you're going to do is you're going to fold it over so you can make some wings. So let me show you what I mean by that. So you're going to grab something like that, and you're going to, might be a little bit tricky, but that's okay. Fold it in like that. So that's one. As you can have a look, just folded it over like that, and then once you've done one side, you can basically mimic that side for the other wing, and you can fold it just like that. Give it a good push, give it a good slide, and once you've done that, you should have created your very own paper aeroplane. Now, I've created one before, just an example, and this is my one here that I created, and as you can tell, I've decorated it however way I want. I've put stars, I've put stripes, I've even put a little name. It says Airship Henry, because that's my name. And so once you've made your paper aeroplane like so, you can grab felt tips, you can grab pencils, you can grab pens, and you can decorate it however way you want. So for example, I might put some stars on this one. I might color it in. I don't have any felts right now, but that's okay. And you can put a little smiley face on there if you want to. So now I'm going to give you a challenge once you've created your paper airplane. So let's see that then, shall we? Alright, we have teleported to another area, and now the challenge I want to set for you guys is that I want you to decorate your paper airplane however way you want, and I want you to take a photo of it and show me and post it online to whatever school tool that you're using, and I want you to show everyone else your cool paper airplane. Then the real challenge is I want you to set up some sort of obstacle, and I want you to try and see if you can get your paper airplane either into a bucket Or if you have a hoop, like what I do over there, I want you to try and see if you can shoot it into the hoop. I'm going to try shoot it into the hoop over there, and that's going to be my challenge. So I'm going to come all the way over here. If you have a look, the hoop's right there. And so I'm going to give it a go. You ready? You ready? Oh, I was so close. But that's what I want you to do. I want you to create a little obstacle course maybe for your paper airplane and try and see if you can get it maybe in a bucket. I think bucket might be the easiest one. If you don't have a bucket or a box, like a bucket over here, you can try shoot it into a bucket like so. So let's have another go then, shall we? Ready? Yeah. No, I'm not getting it. That's all right, though. It's all about practice. Now, the theme of this video and the theme of all of our Kiwi Can stuff is about resilience. And resilience is about bouncing back and keeping a positive attitude after a significant event or a big change in your life that's just happened. Say, for example, we've just gone through a huge event, which is to do with isolation and this whole pandemic that's going around. So I want you guys to keep working on this, do some paper airplanes, because it just keeps your mind active, it keeps your body healthy, it keeps your mind healthy because you're being creative, and think of other ways that you can be creative in your household as well. If you can make that paper airplane, maybe you can look up another couple of YouTube videos to create some different types of paper airplanes, and then you can make different ones, and then you could share them with your family. And then hopefully, if you learn how to make a paper airplane from this video, you can teach your whole family how to make paper airplanes, and then you can have little competitions of like how far can you throw them to the other side of the room, or how far can you go in your backyard, and what obstacles or what targets you can hit. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graeme, Dingle Foundation and Bay of Plenty, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Cheers.